Bro. Hi. There he goes again. Power off.
Bienvenidos and welcome to my channel. I am Lynn and this is La Finca de la Vida, where we will learn about more than just plants in the garden. Today I wanted to bring you guys inside to our homeschool day because I think that us gardening, we garden as a family, and a part of our gardening journey is also a part of our homeschooling and homesteading journey. So like, how do we manage it all? How do we put it all together? How do we keep it together? I don't even know. It's by the grace of God at the end of the day. But I want to take you in and kind of just let you see what my homeschool day kind of can look like. And I'm going to be bringing more videos like this because, you know, we do so many things. And when you're looking at like how much time do I have to dedicate to my garden, oftentimes it's juggling what you have going on inside of the house as well as outside of the house. So let's come on in. And today we are looking at how do I keep my children fit and getting their exercise and getting their sun. I recently stumbled upon a website that was talking about 1,000 hours outside, and it was like a challenge to just get kids outside, which I think is a beautiful thing. I remember when I was younger, no one had to coerce me to go outside. There's times when I've sent my children door and locked them out. It was like, go play, use your imagination, be creative, get bored, and like, I don't know, save the world or something. I think that that's just one aspect of childhood that so many kids are lacking. That's something that's lacking for so many reasons. Everything from helicopter parenting to the safety of your neighborhoods to just not having time. Like, we work so much that kids are going from school to after school program to home to throw some food in your bellies on the way home to, okay, time to go to bed. So like, they really don't get that like outside time and connected with nature. Today I wanted to kind of show you how I keep my kids kind of exercise. Now, even though I said all this stuff about outside, it got me thinking about like, how much exercise are my kids getting? Like, were they really getting 30 minutes, 60 minutes of exercise every day, especially during the quarantine like years where the kids were home? I feel like every little kid put on the quarantine 20, like that 20 pounds of just extra weight from just not being active. So if you have little ones that are home, let's just say it's on like a Saturday and Sunday, maybe you don't live near a park, this would be a excellent thing for you. I introduced you to exercising at home. We came across this program called Exercising with Kids. It is on YouTube, totally free. Each of the exercises are anywhere from 9 minutes to about 30 minutes, and you just build your kids up to it. As you can see here, they're they're getting at it. Like, I love it, and I get out there with them too. I have so much fun with them, and it made me realize how out of shape I was. So we all get to it as a family. They enjoy it. And in between our core, like, so in between language arts and math, we'll pop in a video just to get a brain break. Or this is something you could do after or before lunch, you know, before you're about to get started into your, maybe your afternoon core classes. I think this is a great way to get your kids moving, getting exercise like a part of their day, part of their routine, part of their lives, and they'll get stronger. That's good for like mental, you know, acuteness and stuff. So I'll post a link to the website down below. This is what the page looks like. It's like totally awesome.